Hi everyone. Alright, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to find the determinant. And so, let me zoom in a little. Oh my knee. Okay. So the useful thing about determinants is that it can tell us a lot about a matrix. And one of the things it can tell us is that is there an inverse for this particular matrix? And so if the determinant equals 0, then there's no inverse. No inverse. Right. So let's learn how to find a determinant. And so the way to find a determinant changes depending on its dimensions. Okay, so let's start off with a 2 by 2 because that's the easiest. Let's say I have a matrix A and its components is A, C, B, D. So the determinant of this matrix is just AD minus BC. So you're multiplying the diagonals and then subtracting them. Simple. Now let's do a 3 by 3, which is a little more difficult. Say I have a matrix B and its components are A. Oops. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Okay. So the determinant of this matrix, determinant of B, equals. All right, let me break down the formula. So let's look at this first one. A. So we already know it's going to be multiplied by A. And if you pretend to ignore this column and this row where A exists, all you have to do is find the determinant of this leftover 2 by 2 matrix, which is E I minus F H. Okay. And so you keep doing that. Oops. Okay, let me G, B. And so you do that again for B, but this time it's minus B. And so you're covering this row and this column, and you're taking the determinant of this leftover 2 by 2 matrix, which is di minus fg. Okay, and now again, we're going to add and multiply by c, and then ignore the row and column c is in, and then take the determinant of the leftover 2 by 2 matrix, which is dh minus eg. And so that is your formula to find the determinant of B when B is a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's do an example of that. You can memorize the formula, or you can memorize how to derive the formula. It's up to you. Where's my... Okay. Example. Let's say I give you a matrix D. And it's 3 by 3, so it's 6, 4, oh, that's not big enough. 2, 1, minus 2, 8, 1, 5, 7. And so, I don't really like memorizing formulas because I have the worst memory ever. So I'm gonna do the little trick. So the determinant of D, I'm gonna start off with 6. So it's 6, and then okay, we're gonna ignore this row and this column and find the determinant of the leftover 2 by 2 matrix, which is minus 2 times 7 minus 8 times 5. And then I'm going to do the middle column, which is minus 1 times, oh, that's supposed to be parentheses, times, and so ignore the column, ignore the row, that the 1 is in. Take the determinant of the leftover 2 by 2 matrix, which is 4 times 7 minus 2 times 5. Okay, and then on to the last one, which is plus 1 times, again, ignore the row, ignore the column that the 1 is in. Take the determinant of the leftover 2 by 2 matrix, which is 4. Oh, nah, I don't want the sparkly one. 4 times 8 minus negative 2 times 2. Okay, and so from here, you can just simplify it. And that is 6 times minus 54. Yeah, this is 14. 8 times 5 is 4. Yeah, okay. And minus 1. That's 28. Minus 10, that's 18. And then 4 times 8, 32. Plus 4 is 36. Okay. And then, oh god. Okay. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay. That's 306, I think. Yeah. And so that's how you find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Yeah. Simple enough. Thanks for watching.